off to, Seldy, this week?
We're heading skiing, marining, tubing, and hopefully relaxing at some part of the next 2 days. It was we decided early in the week, as you know, it was like a little bit earlier, so we don't normally get that much time ahead, but it's going to be a beautiful weekend. 32 today and 35 tomorrow. Can't wait to hit that water.
Possibly a few beverages.
Yeah, can't argue with a few beverages, and it's going to be pretty cool at night too, so it's not going to be too hot in the swag, so that'll be a bit of bonus. And we got a family coming down that you probably would have seen last time when we went to Aruna. This time we're going to Logbrook. And what have they done, Seldy? What did you convince them to do, mate?
I feel like they've definitely handballed this responsibility onto me, which, you know, if it makes the last minute living team bigger and stronger with toys and cool crew, I'm happy with that. But Derek and Kaylee and their team on their way down, they came skiing with us last time and basically said that they were going to be using this day as a bit of a test run to see whether they wanted to jet ski or not. So they jumped on the back, had to drive around on their own, and basically here we are 2 weeks later, and they picked up their brand new ski yesterday, and they're on their way down in about 30 minutes, so they're about 30 minutes behind us. But by the time we get there and set up the swags and then get in the water, they'll be definitely rocking up, which is awesome.
Hey Luke, Beck, Chizzo, are you there?
Yeah, where are you guys?
Hello, Chizzo.
They're a bit lagging behind, eh?
Doesn't look like they're on the way, that's for sure.
It's hard, I know I'm better off just restarting, but you still own my heart, and I want more than anything to just move on. Whoa, I'm still hurting in my mind.
So, down the dam, straight onto the Ruskies, the good old Ruskies.
I was a little bit worried because I'd been here for an hour and not had a drink, so here we are. Pre-mixes for the win.
I hate admitting that I crossed a line, and I hope you know that I can't sleep. You won't believe me when I say I'm fine, 'cause
Good morning all.
Morning.
We hit a bit of a roadblock last night with the marining. When we come down, we went jet skiing straight away. We didn't even set up camp. Our mates came down. They got their new jet ski that we definitely had no part in convincing them to buy. Oh, hang on, we're a bit lost here. We're trying to find the shop, which we probably should have followed everyone else, but we didn't. But anyway, that roadblock that we hit with the Marin, a little something called alcohol.
I made the snare, no one wanted to go.
He made a snare at midnight.
11:30.
It was midnight. But yeah,
So my snare was perfect, basically.
it was terrible. There's no way it was going to work anyway. But yeah, so we just enjoyed our time last night. What's the time now? It's pretty early actually.
Yeah,
Packed up
9:30.
camp early.
The water is absolute glass. There's going to
And
be no wind
there's no one.
today.
There's no one on there,
Give
which
them
is
a look.
good.
Look at that. Just going to get coffee, and then we're playing on that water playground all day.
We're
How
getting the jet skis in straight away. We've also got to search for a drone.
Oh,
We had the drone up, not Seldy's drone,
nah.
but another drone. We had that up, and unfortunately it ran out of battery.
So if
decided to land
Yeah.
wherever it landed.
If
So
you don't have a drone, DJI have this thing where they automatically land when they think that it can't fly anymore, but it can. So normally you should have like a 50%, a 25%, a 10%, but it doesn't. It basically says your drone's run out of battery, I'm going to land. So Blake literally couldn't fly that drone any further, and it went down. So we're going to go and try and find it this morning.
we've got the little GPS tracker on it, so hopefully that here we go. Look at that. Yeah, baby.
Why are we even getting topic?
We've got the tracker on the drone, so we think we've got an idea of where it might be. We had a bit of a look yesterday, couldn't find it, but we'll definitely be taking you along for the ride today, and we will see if we find this drone. If we do, that'll be one hell of a story.
Yeah, that'll save Blake. Oh, it'd be 1,500. So save him some money. You definitely want to try and get your drone. It's all the footage too, you know, that he's got on his memory stick. The drone you can replace.
Yeah, we're not going to get you marron, but we'll give you plenty of content, that's for sure. Hopefully a few good stats.
See in the water.
On the biscuits. We've got 2 jet skis. We've multiplied the fun.
2 jet skis, 5 tubes, stand-up paddleboard discs, trick skis. We're going to get wet today.
We have some special guests. Believe it or not, the Chizzos are on the way. Well, we'll see.
Yeah, they said they're in the car, but they could be on the way to IJ. I hope you're not.
Yeah. But anyway, they're on the way. So it's going to be plenty of people. It's going to be a jam-packed day of action, sun, and jet skiing. Let's go.
The Chizzos made it. Woohoo! Sophie's already out there.
Of course she is.
Straight in the water.
First in, last out.
Blake, the man that lost his drone last night. Searched last night, couldn't find it. Searched this morning, found it. This is our setup for today, and I'm about to
Go on an adventure.
yeah. I don't know if you call it that.
Alright guys, we're in a little bit of trouble here. We've got someone who's never usually on the tube. And yep, that's him right behind me. Problem is, if me and him are on the tubes, we've got Misha driving. Anyway, hopefully if you see this video, we are still alive. Tony, got any last words, mate?
Yippee-ki-yay.
It's nice knowing yous. goes, who do I get first? Me or Sheldon? Obvious answer is right here. Apparently not.
Come back again. I'm thinking you're celebrating. I got you up in a way. Full somersault.
So I guess that makes the scores even.
Yeah, that's karma.
That's karma thinking he's the champion. What an idiot. I hope that looked good. I hope that looked good because that was probably the longest stack ever. See if you can tie the scores. Sheldon, it's on.
Kids are out having their last ski with Mark on the back of the tubes, as he normally does. Always out there.
Worse than the children.
Worse than the children.
Yeah.
He's loving life right now. Just about done. It's like I think close to 5 o'clock. We've had good day today and since yesterday. Bang on five. So yeah, we really like coming here. It's very relaxed and
Good for the kids.
good for the kids.
You don't have to worry. Life jackets on. Not a worry. We're having a drink. Mums can relax.
Yeah, that's it. Speaking of the kids, they're just rocking up now. Having fun, guys?
All right, here it is. What's the time?
6:30.
6:30. Luke is still here. Just hiding, he's camera shy. That's it. Successful day. Wasn't windy. That's a good change.
An hour and a bit pack up.
Yep,
Not too
which
bad.
we definitely need to streamline.
Amazing weekend again.
That's it. Plenty of
Great
footage,
people,
plenty of
good
friends,
food.
lots of toys.
No Marin.
No Marin.
Oh,
Due to
wow.
slight
Someone needs to plan his
due to a
time
slight
bit better
hiccup.
next time.
This guy was making snares at 12:30. Not a good time.
Trying to make snares at
Yeah,
12:30.
trying. But anyway, there it is.
Hopefully we missed all the traffic on the way home.
With some luck, we're not going to get home till
Smooth.
nearly 8 now, but oh well, it is what it is. That's our last minute living.
Yeah.
That's what we're all about.
Fucking bees.
And the bees. I've already been stung on the leg. Anyway, see you on the next one.
Bye-bye.
I'm done now that you're coming back just for fun. You say you need me and you're alone. Well, go hurt someone else 'cause I've moved on. Whoa, I'm still hurting in my mind. Whoa, but I know that I'll be fine. Whoa, I don't need you in my nights. I won't admit that it's my fault. far